Hi friends, and welcome to Easy Web Tips. In today's video, I'll show you how to add shortcuts in Google Chrome. Shortcuts are a quick way to access your favorite websites right from your browser's homepage. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and open a new tab. You'll see the default homepage with shortcuts to frequently visited sites, or an empty section if you haven't added any yet. Now, look for the Add Shortcut button, usually marked with a plus sign. Click on it to open a small pop-up window where you can customize your shortcut. In the pop-up, you'll see two fields. The first field is for the name of your shortcut. This is what will appear on your homepage. The second field is for the URL of the website you want to link. Enter the website's name and its full address, like https://www.youtube.com/easywebtips and click Done. Once you've clicked Done, your new shortcut will appear on the Chrome homepage. Simply click on it anytime to quickly access the site. If you ever want to edit or remove a shortcut, hover over it and click the three dots that appear. From there, you can update the name or URL, or delete the shortcut entirely. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Easy Web Tips for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.